Hello everybody, today we're doing a farm tour and I have a Ari Telecom axe. So let's get started. Not a house tour, farm tour. So here we have a lovely entrance, walking down. We have this little farm I made. Little, but I like it. Then I have this big farm right here. This is just for my horse. I'll ride it so you can see. And I made this little pasture. It keeps on getting messy now. And I have this part of the island that needs some chopping and some cleaning. As you see by, I have a couple of big makers, and then I can totally see running. Then I have this RC, a lot of Ari Telecom. We go here, and we have all of this trees, a lot of them. And we have over here where it used to be, it was just like messy. And then we have over here, nice little farm. I love my lawn. They sell so much money. We have over here, a lot of space. And we have our gold mine over here. And we have all of this space. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, comment, do everything.